Where are you going? You're going for holiday? Are you?
I'm going to Taipei tomorrow.
Why?
And Sunday. I'm going to see the concert.
Oh. Good.
I'm going to see G-Dragon. Korean concert.
Korean concert. Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
No, it's alright. No problem.
It's okay.
I have something for you. I'm so sorry that
Wow,
the last
thank you
time
so
I
much. 5, right?
Yes.
5. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5. I didn't see you. Ay, picture na tayo.
Sige, sige, tita.
Thank
you.
This is the youngest. It's her birthday on the 8th. 7 years
happy
old.
birthday.
Thank you. Say thank
We're
you.
going to have Halloween at Ocean Park. When are we going there?
On Monday.
Monday.
Oh, Monday is finished.
Finish.
This weekend is the last day is the Sunday.
Sunday?
Today, tomorrow, and Sunday. Last weekend.
The holiday? Ay, the Halloween?
The Halloween.
Okay, picture. Jeris, move.
Ay, ano ba yun?
Oh, selfie. Selfie. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Sama ko.